to my channel Samita Reddy. So today's video is a very special video for me and I'm very excited for this video because I'm going to show you my first ring light. I never tried videos with ring light. So this is my first ring light which I ordered in Flipkart and this cost me 1150 rupees. But I got a little damage, but I thought that was done by my father. The damaged one was set up by my father. So now it's normal. So today I'm going to show you that ring light, how to set up and everything, how is the light, the brightness and intensity. Then so without any further ado, let's get into a video. So usually I doesn't know how the ring light will be, how we have to set up. So I finally gotten everything and now I'm going to show you. So yeah, let's get into the video. So I already unboxed it because it's Corona, so I sanitized it and thrown the box, so I can't show you the unboxing. So this is a tripod stand I have got it, and this is a huge tripod stand. This extends to 7 feet, so that's why I ordered it. So I will show you how to fit this. You have to here you have to lose it while you have to extend the stand. I'll show you. You have to lose in this way. And then you can take out these 3 legs. Yeah, it extends in this way and this gets tied. After you keep it on the line, you have to again tie this, or else that will not be stable. And I'll show how this get extended. Here I have to lose first. There are 2 like hooks over here to lose and tight for extending the stand. One second. Yeah. So first one is this. So it's up to you how much height you want this stand. According to the video you are doing and according to your height, you can set up it. So I'll extend it more so I can show you easily. Also you have to lose it and then you can extend it more. After extend this, you have to again tight this one or else it doesn't be stable. So I told you that I got a damaged one over here. That's why it's not that much stable while standing, but I have to see after while I'm using it. So I'll see it. But for now I'm letting it down because I'm not that much height. So I'm adjusting the stand according to my height. So let me keep it like this. Yeah, this is fine to me because the light also comes slightly here. So this is enough for me. Now other things of this for ring light had come in this box. So I'll open and show you. Yeah. Yesterday I and my dad tried for fitting this, so I got to know how to fit yesterday and now I'm going to show. So this is a phone stand and yeah, this is the ring light. So I'm going to fit it in this. Sorry, yeah. This one you have to keep over inside this and you have to keep the phone stand to this and this one will bend according to your angles. If you want to do while sitting on the down or for the up or to straight way, this can be bent in any angle. And then one more is there in this box. So it's this one. This is the main thing in this. So first I have to fit this into this. So yeah, this one, yeah, you have to fit in this way. Here you have to fit this one. Nail, you have to tighten it. Yeah, it's got fit. Now let's take this ring light. This ring light over here, this one you have to fit into this. So let's do that. Side. You have to tie it over here. So this is the first time I'm doing this one, so I'm not able to get it. And here I got to know now you have to lose this if you want to bend. If you want to do downwards, you have to keep in this one again. Tight it once in guys. Yeah, again tight it so it bends to a down angle. So it bends to any angle. I'll show you that even 1 second. Let me keep that phone stand also to this and then I'll show you. to which angles this stand gets bent. Yeah. So yeah, this is a stand. So first here you have one thing, you have to take this out, and then let us keep this one inside this. So and then keep this one over here. Let this go inside that stand. And now this one, there's a phone stand, is a main thing. You have to fit into this. Then roll it up. And then tight this phone stand so that it doesn't move. And phone will not fall down. 1 second guys. Yesterday I tried it and that turned out well. But today I doesn't know it comes or not. Yeah. Tight it. And this also fit it perfectly, then your phone doesn't fall down. And this one you can bend it like this. So yeah, your phone can be kept here and it can bend more. See, phone kept here so that it comes straight to your words. And I'll show you the ring light, how many angles it gone bent. Here you have this hook, here you have to loose it and tight it. So yeah, so this is one angle, the straight angle, then comes bends in this way. Let me tighten it. If you want to do videos by sitting at down, or if you want to show something downwards, then you can keep this angle. It bends more down. I'll show you. So guys, now the stand is stable. Before I didn't extend it much, so that's what it did not stand. But now I tried it, and then this angle that I showed you, if you want to do down, so this for down, this is only the last angle. So let's see if you want to shoot upwards. So this is one angle, and then you can go in this way. 1 second. So yeah, this is one angle, and one more angle comes. So yeah. These are the 5 angles this ring light bends. 2 angles upwards and 2 angles downwards, and 1 in the straight angle. And now let me keep it in the normal position because I don't want to shoot it upwards or downwards. So this is the standard position, and now these are the wires for the light to come. But I doesn't know that they will give one. There will be one more wire in the way of the charger, but I didn't get that one. So I'm using the charger which I have at home. So I'll show you the light. So I'm keeping to this charger. Like normal. So here I have the buttons. So this on and off button, this is increasing for light and this decreasing for light, and these are for different light colors. So let's on it. So yeah, this is one color light. Then let me increase the light. So this is the maximum light that comes. Let me decrease it. So this get decreased till here. So okay, this is a light that gets decreased, and now let's go to the other light. This other light. This is warm light. So this is the maximum that it gets increased. Then there are 3 modes of lights, and other one is normal plain light. Those are the 3 modes of lights, and here you have to keep your phone. You can keep it in horizontal way or even vertical way. I'll show you it. So I took this phone, and here I have extension. You can extend it. So yeah, this side you can keep it. This is vertical way. I'll show you even the horizontal. So guys, if you want to keep your phone in the horizontal manner for the YouTube video, if you want for reels or normal Instagram video, you can keep it in this way, vertical way. Vertical way. But if you want to do a YouTube video, then you have to turn this phone stand in this vertical way. Then you can arrange the phone in this. Yeah, then you can arrange the phone in this and shoot your video like this for the YouTube video. So these are the 2 ways you can arrange your phone in this ring light. So this was the total look of the ring light, and my first ever ring light is this one. I'm very happy. So hope this video had helped you. So if you are a beginner like me to fit the ring light and everything, so I really am very happy. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon, this is subscribe button. I wish you upload a very Bye guys, see you in another video.